Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes, right? So students, today we are going to start the revision of the chapter number 3, clothes we wear, right? As you all know that in our MEA exam, there will be 2 chapters, right? The chapter number 1, food we eat, and the chapter number 3, clothes we wear, right? So our both the chapters have been completed. Fine. So let's start the revision. Okay. So you can score a good marks at test, right? Okay. So let's start. So there are some important notes of this chapter that you should learn. First one is, we wear clothes because it protects us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, storm and insects bites. So the first question arising in our mind when we wearing clothes, right? That why do we wear clothes? Why do we need to wear clothes? So the answer is very simple, that we wear clothes because it protects us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, storm and insects bites. That is why we wear clothes, right? Then we wear different clothes at the different times of the day. See students, we are not wearing the same kinds of clothes everywhere, right? We are not wearing the same types of clothes made from same material at every time, right? But we wear different clothes at the different times of the day. For example, at school. So at school we wear uniforms, right? When we are at our home, then we wear loose comfortable clothes, right? Because जब हम घर पे होते हैं, that in that we have to be comfortable. That is why at home we wear loose comfortable clothes, and at night we wear night suit, right? So we wear different clothes at the different times of the day, right? हम एक दिन में भी बहुत डिफरेंट क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं, राइट? एट स्कूल मॉर्निंग में जब आप स्कूल आते हो तो तब आप यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हो, देन यू रिटर्न टू योर होम, देन यू वेयर लूज कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ्स, एंड एट नाइट यू वेयर नाइट सूट्स, राइट? सो यू वेयर डिफरेंट क्लोथ्स एट द डिफरेंट टाइम्स ऑफ द डे, and not the times of different times of the day, but we wear different types of clothes according to the different time, different occasion, different festivals, and according to the different seasons, right? Now students, you wear the clothes according to the occasions also. For example, if you are going for a party, right, then what you wear? Will you wear uniform or your loose comfortable clothes or your night suit? No. So when we are going for a party, we will wear a party wear clothes, right? A new good party wear clothes. And for example, if you are going for a wedding, then we will wear traditional clothes, right? So according to the different time, according to the situation, according to the occasion, right, according to the festival and according to the season, we wear different types of clothes. Now there are some reasons for wearing clothes, right? Reasons for wearing clothes. So the first reason for wearing clothes is cotton clothes protect us from the heat of the sun and help to keep us cool. See, cotton clothes, we wear cotton clothes, right, to protect ourselves from the heat of the sun. Cotton clothes keeps us cool, because in summer the weather is very hot. That is why our body needs coolness, right? So we wear cotton clothes, that is protect us from the sun and helps to keep us cool. Then the second reason is woolen clothes protects us from the cold and keep us warm. So in winter the weather is very cold, right? So our body needs warmness. That is why in winter we wear woolen clothes. It will protect us from the cold and keep us warm. Now the third reason is raincoats. Raincoats protect us from the rain and keep us dry. So in the rainy season we usually wear raincoats, right, because it protects us from the rain and also keeps us dry. And the fourth reason for wearing clothes is wearing full sleeved clothes protect us from insects bites, right. We wear full sleeved clothes जब आप कुछ ऐसी लोकेशन पे जाते हो जहाँ बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स है, राइट, देन आप अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हो, you should wear full sleeved clothes, right, so that you can protect yourself from the insects bites, right. So there are some reasons for wearing clothes. So basically we have to protect ourselves from the heat of the sun, cold, rain, storm and insects bites, right. For protecting ourselves from the heat, we wear cotton clothes. By protecting ourselves from the cold, we wear woolen clothes, and by protecting ourselves from the rain, we wear raincoats, and from the insects bites, we wear full sleeve clothes, right. So there are some reasons for wearing clothes. Then third point is we should also take care of our clothes. Yes students, when we wear the different types of clothes, we also should take care of our clothes, right. For example, wool and silk material. See, wool and silk material, they can easily attacked by the insects, right. Wool and silk material, they are very sensitive materials that are very easily attacked by the insects. That is why we need to take care of that type of material, right. When we store them, we should put the phenol balls, moth balls or the dried neem leaves along with them, right. So when we store them, we should remember these things, right. We should also take care of our clothes. Okay, so the second thing is types of fibers. See students, all the clothes that we wear are made from the fibers, right. So there are types of fibers. There are two types of fibers. First one is natural fiber and the second one is synthetic fiber, right. There are two types of fibers. First one is natural fiber and the second one is synthetic fiber. Now let's see what are natural fibers. So fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals. Fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals are called natural fibers, right. जो fibers हमें या तो plants में से मिलते हैं या तो animal में से मिलते हैं, they are called natural fibers. Fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals. While synthetic fibers, so fibers that are made by men are called synthetic fibers. See students, synthetic fibers it cannot be obtained by naturally, right. So we have to make them. So the fibers that are made by men are called synthetic fiber. Now the examples of the natural fibers are cotton, linen, jute, wool and silk. Now among them, cotton, linen and jute are the plant fibers because cotton, linen and jute are obtained from the plants. And wool and silk. So wool and silk are animal fibers because they both are obtained from the animals, right. So what are the natural fibers? Fibers they are obtained from either plants or animals. So cotton, linen and jute are obtained from the plant and wool and silk are obtained from the animals, right. So wool obtained from the sheep and silk is obtained from the silkworm, right. So there are the two types of natural fibers, plant fibers and animal fibers. Cotton, linen and jute are the examples of the plant fibers and wool and silk are the examples of animal fibers. Then the other side, examples of the synthetic fibers. They are nylon and polyester. Nylon and polyester are the examples of synthetic fibers. See students, this type of fibers are very strong and can be last long, right. सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं और लास्ट लॉन्ग होते हैं, बहुत लंबे टाइम तक ये टाइप के फाइबर्स चलते हैं. They are very stretchable, they are wrinkle free, and also they are waterproof. See, synthetic fibers are very strong, they are very last long, then they can be stretchable, they can be wrinkle free, and they also can be waterproof. So there are some positive points about the synthetic fibers, right? So types of fibers, there are two types of fibers, natural fiber and synthetic fiber, right? Fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals. Examples: cotton, linen and jute are the plant fibers, wool and silk are the animal fibers. While in synthetic fibers, so the fibers that are made by men are called synthetic fibers. Now the examples of it are nylon and polyester. Okay, so that is the types of fibers. Now I made a table of what should we wear different clothes during different seasons, right? So here are the three main seasons: summer, winter and monsoon. Okay, so the first point is clothes we wear. So what kinds of clothes we wear during these seasons, right? Because we should wear the different clothes during different seasons, right? We will wear different clothes according to the different seasons. So in summer we wear t-shirt, singlet, shorts, tank tops, frock, shirt, dress and saris, right? Also their clothes are made different from men and women also, right? So in summer we usually wear t-shirt, singlet, shorts, tank tops, frock, skirt, dress and sari, right? Now this usually made of the cotton and linen material. These all clothes that we wear in summer are made from the cotton and linen material, right? The second point is clothes material. So what kinds of clothes we wear in summer? They are mostly made from cotton and linen material. Then color of clothes. So during summer we will wear light colored clothes. During the summer we will wear light colored clothes. Why? See students, when we will wear the light colored clothes during summer, it will keeps us cool because light colored clothes absorb very less sunlight. Light colored clothes absorb very less sunlight. That is why it keeps our body cool during summer, right? Because in the summer the weather is very hot. So when we will wear light colored clothes made from cotton and linen, right, it will keeps our body cool and protects us from the suns of the heat. Fine. Then comes protect us from. So we will wear these kinds of clothes made from cotton and linen material, and they should be light colored. So by wearing these types of clothes, it will protect us from what, right? So wearing these kinds of clothes during summer, it keeps our body cool. So wearing these types of clothes made from cotton and linen, and the color should be light color, right? It will help us to keep our body cool during summer. Then the last point is weather. So in summer the weather usually wear hot. Fine. Then comes winter. So clothes we wear. So what kinds of clothes we wear during winter? So during winter we wear sweaters, jackets, full sleeved shirt, jeans, gloves, scarf, hoodie and coats, right? We usually wear these types of clothes during winter: sweaters, jackets, full sleeved shirt, jeans, gloves, scarf, hoodie and coats, right? Then comes clothes material. So during winter we wear these types of clothes that are made from wool material, right? In winter we wear these types of clothes made from wool material. Usually in winter all the clothes are made from the wool material. Then color of clothes. So during winter we wear dark colored clothes. during winter we wear dark colored clothes. Why? Because you know that dark colored clothes absorb more sunlight. Dark colored clothes absorb more sunlight. That is why in winter the weather is very cold, right? So our body needs warmness. So by wearing the dark colored clothes, it will absorb more sunlight and keeps our body warm during winter, right? So we wear dark colored clothes during winter. Then comes protect us from. So we will wear this all types of clothes made from wool material and the color will be dark, right? Then so all these things protects us from what? So wearing this clothes during winter, it gives warmth to our body. So wearing this clothes during winter, it keeps our body warm. And the last one is weather. So during winter season, the weather will be very cold, right? So in winter we wear sweaters, jacket, full sleeve shirts, jeans, gloves, scarf, hoodies and coats, right? They are made from wool material and also in dark color, right? Because dark color absorb very more sunlight. And it also protects us from the cold and keeps our body warm. And the weather should be cold. And in the monsoon season, so in monsoon season the clothes we wear are raincoat and gumboots, right? Usually in monsoon we wear raincoats and gumboots. Fine. So usually see monsoon में हम कोई भी कपड़े पहनते हैं, राइट? कोई भी क्लोथ्स हम पहनते हैं, बट उसके ऊपर हम हमेशा रेन कोट्स पहनते हैं, राइट? व्हेन वी गो आउटसाइड वी विल वेयर रेन कोट एंड गम बूट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट अवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द रेन, राइट? Then the clothes material. So in monsoon, during monsoon we usually wear raincoats and gumboots. They usually made from the waterproof materials. See, in monsoon clothes should be made from the waterproof material. So the raincoats and gumboots are usually made from the waterproof materials, right? Then colors of clothes. So you can wear any type of color during monsoon, right? बिकॉज सन जो है बहुत ही कम देखने को मिलता है मॉनसून में. उसकी जो हीट होती है वो बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होती है, राइट? वो हमें इफ़ेक्ट नहीं करती है मॉनसून में, बिकॉज मॉनसून में वेदर कैसा होता है? बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लाउडी होता है, राइट? द वेदर विल बी वेरी क्लाउडी ड्यूरिंग द मॉनसून, राइट? सो यू कैन वेयर एनी कलर दैट यू वांट. देन प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम व्हाट? सो बाय वेयरिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स इट प्रोटेक्ट अस from the rain and keeps our body dry. Wearing this clothes during monsoon, it will keeps our body dry. Then the weather. So during the monsoon season, the weather will be rainy and windy, right? And cloudy also. Okay. So there is a table that shows that what we should wear different clothes during different seasons, right? We should wear different clothes during different seasons. So हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? We wear clothes according to the time, according to the occasion, according to the festival and according to the different seasons, right? In summer we wear all these clothes made from cotton and linen material, right? And also in light colored, and it will protect us from the heat of the sun and keeps our body cool, and the weather will be very hot, right? And then during winters, so during winters we will wear sweaters, jacket, full sleeve shirts, jeans, gloves, scarf, hoodies and coats. So this all clothes that will be made from wool material, right? Because wool material gives us warmness, right? It cannot escape the air from our body, right? And keeps us warm. So during winter we will wear this all types of clothes made from wool material, and the color will be dark, right? Because dark color absorb more sunlight and keeps our body warm. then it will protect us from the cold and keep our body warm, and the weather will be cold. The last one is monsoon. So during the monsoon we will wear raincoat and gum boots that will be made from waterproof materials, color, anything you can choose, and it will protect us from the rain and keep our body dry. And the weather will be rainy, windy and cloudy during monsoon. Okay, so there are some different clothes that we wear at the different seasons, right? We will not wear the same type of clothes made by the same material, right? We will wear different clothes according to the time, according to the occasion, to festival, or according to the different seasons, right? So students, that is it for today. Here our revision of this chapter is over, and your homework for the day is you have to read the chapter, read all the exercises, right? And please be prepared for our next exam, right? Chalo. All the best everyone. Be safe. Okay. Bye bye.